How to replace part of a text file between markers with another text file. Say I have a text file like this. I'd like to replace the portion between the generated content tags with the contents of another file. What's the simplest way to do this?
Using a heredoc and the edline editor. The first line inside the heredoc is to delete d, the line after, plus, the, #begin generated, and the line before, the, #end generated ... The second line is to insert file 2 after the line, #begin generated.
Warning, this is definitely not the simplest way to do it. Edit, bash works, POSIX grep is fine too. If the main text is in file main and the generated content is in file gen, you could do the following.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.